Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll begin the analysis from the weekly time frame to lower time frame, which will give us a better understanding of the current trend of the price action. So I'm in weekly time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action, we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bearish trend, and around the level of 1615 we have noticed a price action to make a consolidation and then bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And during this process also we have noticed a price action to make a double bottom pattern, and if you notice it closely, it has also completed its double bottom pattern, which means that the current pattern is completed and we can expect a new trend to start from this level. So when we look at the last week candle formation, it has formed into an indecision candle, which means that the current trend is completed and there could be a change in the current trend. So when we look at in the past price action also, whenever there is an indecision candle, we have noticed a bearish trend to come to end, again bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And on the bullish side also, whenever an indecision candle is formed, we have noticed a price action to again bounce back on the bearish side retracement. But it doesn't mean that you have to jump into the bearish side trade. We have to wait for the proper entry to enter into the bearish side trade. So when we look at the highest it has gone, it is about 1810, and when we look at the lowest it has gone, it is about 1730. So as long as the price action is trading above this support level of 1730, it is not a bearish side trend reversal. It will only be a retracement on the bearish side, and only when the price action breaks the previous low of 1730, it will be a bearish side trend reversal in weekly time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1810, it will be the continuation or the start of the bullish side retracement. So if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side trade, wait for the price action to break this support level of 1730 in weekly time frame for bearish side entry. And we have already got a sign of the bearish side trend reversal in weekly time frame. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. I am in daily time frame now. As we have marked in the previous analysis also, I am going to draw a trend line or the support line connecting the previous lows, and based on this trend line, the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend, and it is under a consolidation within this resistance line and the support line. So in daily time frame, you can wait for the price action to break this trend line or the support line in order to enter into the bearish side trade, and the target is going to be around 1730 for now. And only when the price action breaks the support level of 1730, it will be a bearish side trend reversal in daily time frame also. And when we draw a resistance line connecting the previous highs, it is very clear that soon we can expect a trend reversal on the bearish side or on the bullish side. So wait for the price action to break this resistance line from the daily time frame if you want to freshly enter into the bullish side trade. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. And from the weekly time frame, we know that it has formed a indecision candle in weekly time frame. So soon we can expect a bearish side retracement to start, and if the price action breaks the support level of 1765, next level of support is going to be around 1737 to 1730. This is a support zone, and only when the price action breaks the support zone, we can expect it to test the support level of 1711, 1691 and 1663. And if the price action breaks the resistance zone between 1810 to 1800, we can expect it to test the resistance level of 1871. And for now, the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is also on a bullish trend, as long as it is trading between this support line and the resistance line. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now, and from the higher time frame we know that the lower support is going to be around 1765, and it is trading above the trend line or the support line from the daily time frame, and we have a very strong resistance zone between 1810 to 1800, and also we have a resistance line. It has to break this blue color resistance line if the price action wants to continue with bullish side retracement in hourly time frame also. But when we look at the current trend of the price action, I am again drawing a trend line or a support line connecting the previous highs and the previous lows, and it is trading within this support line and the resistance line within a bullish channel pattern. Now it has tested this resistance line, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. Again, it has to break this bullish channel pattern, trend line or the support line if the price action needs to continue with bearish side retracement. So for now, the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also in a bullish trend as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is in a bullish trend. Wait for it to break the trend line or the support line of the bullish channel pattern, and if the price action breaks this support line, next level of support is going to be around 1783, 1774, 1766, 1753 and 1737. And if the price action continues its bullish side retracement within this bullish channel pattern, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1800 and 1810. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1810, we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start in hourly time frame also. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and in 30 minutes time frame also I'm noticing the bullish trend to continue similar to an hourly time frame. So as long as the price action is trading between this bullish channel pattern from the hourly time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. And values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. And currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1797 to support level of 1794. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1794, next level of support is going to be around 1789. Please refer the higher time frame support levels for the bearish side targets. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1797, next level of resistance is going to be around 1800, 1802, 1806 and 1810. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1810, next level of resistance is going to be around 1816, 1824. We are noticing the current trend to be on a retracement within this bullish channel pattern from the hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trying to break the resistance level of 1797, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, next target is going to be around 1800, 1802, 1804, 1807, 1810 and 1815. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance level of 1797, next level of support is going to be around 1793 and 1789. And the price action in 15 minutes time frame is also on a bearish side retracement within this bullish channel pattern from the hourly time frame. Only when the price action breaks this support line, it will be a bearish side trend reversal, and only when the price action breaks this bullish channel pattern resistance line, it will be a bullish side trend reversal in 15 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.